This is a fight for equality on this earth we share. All together, one love, peace.
We all know racism is taught. It's not natural to have hate in your heart. Let's switch the narrative. Let's teach about love.
Black Lives Matter. This is not just a hashtag or a trend. This is real. So we must learn, we must relearn, we must listen, and we must act. Because Black lives matter.
I understand that I will never understand. However I stand, the change starts now. Racism ends now.
Hey guys, let's remember to be open-minded, support one another, to embrace our differences, and most importantly, spread love, not hate.
There was a time where I felt like I had a complexity with my complexion, and now more than ever, all I could say is that I'm proud to be black.
Hi there, I'm Leah Gentile, also known as Big Mama Siciliana. We are all in this together. No matter what the color of your skin, we are one race, the human race. So love one another, spread love, spread positivity.
Hi, my name is Nikki Cadenza. We're all in this together. My generation will be better, I promise. I love you all.
If you're not horrified, you're not paying attention. Black Lives Matter. We will not be silenced.
Nelson Mandela said it best. People are not born hating another person for the color of their skin, their background, or their religion. People learn to hate. And if you can learn to hate, then you can be taught to love. Because love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite.
To bring about change, we must not be afraid to take the first step. We will fail when we fail to try.
Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. I just want to say that I truly believe that as humans, if we can set aside race and all of our differences and start acting and thinking from a place of love and kindness, that is when we will genuinely see the change that we desperately need. And with that being said, I am sending you all so much love and positivity. I love you all very, very, very much.
With everything going on, we should take this chance to learn more about racism and discrimination, to read, to understand, and basically to be the standing voice to those who need help.